Welcome to my channel, Learn to Earn Minds. In this video, I'll guide you through using grab text and magic edit in Canva like a pro. Learn how to easily grab text from pictures and add it to your designs. Also, discover simple photo editing tips to make your creations pop. Whether you're just starting or want to up your design game, this tutorial is for you. Follow along to upgrade your Canva projects effortlessly. Let's make your designs shine. First, we'll go to Canva and click on Custom Design. Then we'll select a size 1000/1000. Then click on Create New Design. The process will take time. We will have access to this interface. Click on the Uploads button now. We now need to select the picture. In this step, we will select Set Image as background. Then select the picture and click the Edit Photo button. Now select Grab Text. It will take a while for your text to be grabbed. It is now possible to write anything in place of this text, such as my channel's name, Learn to Earn Minds. You can now write it in capital letter by clicking here. By clicking here, you can change the text size. We will adjust it from here. Click here to change your text color. Click here to change your text font. My choice of font is Canva Sans. With this method, we can change any shirt's text, no matter if it's a shirt, a car, or anything else. We can easily change the text. Here we will now look at another feature. We will select the picture and set it as Set Image as background. Now we have to select this picture and go to Edit Photo and click on Magic Edit. Now we will select the object that we want to remove or replace. Then click on Continue. We will write the name of the object in this place, like I write a magic pencil. Now click on Generate. The process will take some time, and you can see the results after some time. Instead of a pen, it has made 4 pictures, and we can choose any pencil from them. We select it. Now I want to change this hat. Let's make the brush bigger. I select the hat. Now click on Continue. Now I write red hat. Now click on Generate. This process will take some time. After a while, you can see the result. You can select anyone. In this tutorial, you saw how we edited a photo within a minute. I hope it was helpful to you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and let's dive into the creative world of Canva together.